Yeah. Well, I'm getting ready to replace both of these lines. I mean the power steering pump, this rubber line, and the bucket I'm gonna replace. Alright, so let me get started. These are 14 to get the power steering pump out. Let me start getting my tools and then I'll start explaining. If y'all want some good degrease or some cheap shit, right there. That shit'll take all the grease out. I gotta put all this in the car. Power steering pump. Ooh, my baby is gone. Oh, and this is a 10, this a 10, and this a 10 right here. Let me keep going so I can get this out. Oh, and to get the belt out, I got a 916 on it. Got a 916. Push it down, the belt come out. See? Let me pause this. See, and the belt come out. And if you don't want to lose it, just tie it up somewhere around here. I'm about to do that now. Well, and just like that came out. 214, 110, 210 for the bracket pinion, one for the bottle. I'm about to get this out right now. Ready to put it on. Remember, when you turn the car on, you gotta come and turn the steering wheel to the left and right, left and right, left and right. So like that, the whole system get the power steering. Here, let me tighten this up. Whew. Already got that on. Man, this gave me a hard time to put it on. Whew. That shit was a hard bitch. I had to put this in here, clamp it right here, and then stick this in, and then, cause it would never go in through the other side unless I push it real hard. But I got it in. Let me keep going. Almost there. Now I just gotta put the other one in the bucket, and I'm done. Oh, and screw that shit right there. Bam, bam, bam.
What's that, the timer?
Nah, I put this one on. Put this one on. I tying up that one right there. That was a number 10 too. I'll put this one on. I gotta stretch them better. And now let's put the belt back on. It took me about like 30 minutes because I've been killing a lot of time. Yeah, for my belt to don't come on the back, I came and I pulled my magnet all the way by the tension. I mean by the pulley. So like that, the belt don't come out from back there, and you don't gotta do this whole process. But see, I got it in. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. It's on. Well, everything is on. What I gotta do now is put the oil, power steering fluid, and let's go get it. Next, I gotta do the upper control arm on the passenger side on that, and the fuel line from the gas tank to the filler. When it's on, it looked like a Christmas tree in here. Well, that's all she wrote. Oh wow, that's just fucking spinning. Well, that's it.